Hi, I'm Ajah, and today we'll be creating creepy crawlies. First, you'll need construction paper, scissors, glue, tape in case you don't have glue, a bunch of leaves, sticks, and flowers, and one crayon. The first thing we'll do is glue down the body of the book. I split my body down the middle just a little bit, so it would be easier for me to glue down. Then you're going to press it down very, very hard so your bug won't fly away. Next, you're going to go ahead and glue down the head of the bug. Make sure that you press that down hard as well. Then, we're going to go ahead and cut out the eyes for our bug. Note that I'm cutting the eyes smaller and smaller and rounder, so it can be the perfect shape for our bug. Now I'm gluing down the eyes for our bug. Make sure you press that down hard as well. Now we're making the wings for our bug. I took a leaf and I split it down the middle. I'm placing the wings on the edges of the bug. Don't forget to press down very, very hard. Now I'm making the antennas. I took a twig and then I cut it in half and I'm placing them on the head of the bug. All it's left to do is sign my name. And we're done.